If you are like a lot of women suffering with endometriosis, then you need to follow this 4-step plan to cure endometriosis. It may look oversimplistic to you, but it works because this 4-step plan addresses the root cause of endometriosis. Perhaps you already know the root cause of endometriosis is estrogen dominance. What is endometriosis? This is an unusual problem in which the tissue from your uterus travels around and settles in any part of your body. Once it settles there, you will experience excruciating pain because of continuous bleeding, stretching, and rupturing of uterus tissue. These are the things that are common in the womb but unfortunately happening elsewhere. Imagine the potential dangers of uterus tissue reaching your lungs, kidneys, and brain. Unimaginable. Am I right? The symptoms of endometriosis. When uterus tissue goes around and causes internal bleeding, it can't leave your body like menstruation and therefore causes inflammation, pain, and formation of scar tissue. As a consequence of these changes in your body, you suffer with lethargy, tiredness, irregular periods, painful periods, prolonged bleeding, ovulation pain, pain during intercourse, painful bowel movements, painful urination, and host of other symptoms. The primary goal of endometriosis treatment should be removing excess estrogen from your body, as it is the root cause of this problem. Also, you need to follow certain things aimed at relieving the painful symptoms. This is what this 4-step plan is all about. So, let's get started. Step 1. Support your body in removing excess estrogen. This is unfortunate, but it is a reality. The environment you live and the lifestyle you follow cause more estrogen in your body. Pills you use are full of synthetic hormones. The foods you eat and the water you drink also contain xenoestrogens. You can't do much, and however, you should aim to eat only organic and hormone-free foods. This will minimize estrogen levels in your body to a larger extent. Step 2. Eat foods that control inflammation. When your blood is ridden with excess amounts of glucose and toxins, the obvious end result would be inflammation, which causes pain. Start eating foods like broccoli, green tea, garlic, pomegranate, shallots, and watercress, which are known to eliminate the toxins and control the inflammation. Step 3. Improve blood circulation in pelvic area. Lethargy and tiredness is caused when your body cells are deprived of sufficient oxygen. Regular exercise ensures proper blood circulation and also help you optimize your digestion and eliminate the toxins from your body. You therefore start simple exercises including walking right from today. You can't neglect this. Step 4. Support your body in breaking the fibrin. As we have already discussed, fibrin is the root cause of the scar tissue. Regular massage in pelvic area will break down the fibrin tissue. This is a simple thing you can do at your home. Remember and realize, this 4-step plan helps you free from the effects of endometriosis. It is easy to follow this 4-step plan. Following this plan, you can certainly minimize the effects of endometriosis. Here I want to tell you a very important thing. Endometriosis is not a disease per se. Endometriosis is a consequence of improper dietary and lifestyle. The only way you can get rid of endometriosis completely is by changing the lifestyle. I have suggested in this 4-step plan. If you can follow this 4-step plan, you will see the changes in your body within 24 hours. If you can stick to this 4-step plan, you will experience miraculous changes in your body in the days to come. Congratulations! Now you know the 4-step plan to get freedom from endometriosis. But in order to see the real change in your life, you need to put this 4-step plan into action. How to put this 4-step plan to practice? Here I want you to consider the Fertilica EndoWise kit. The EndoWise fertility kit is designed to help support normal endometrial tissue function, support normal hormonal balance, encourage circulation to the reproductive system, and prepare the body for pregnancy. The uniqueness of this kit. The EndoWise fertility kit contains 5 herbs. Wild yam root helps promote normal hormonal levels and overall balance within the reproductive system. Ginger root aids in healthy digestion while supporting healthy circulation and blood flow to the uterus. Cramp bark promotes a calm, relaxed, and healthy uterus awaiting implantation. Helps to reduce nervous tension. Red raspberry leaf supplies minerals to the uterus, helping to build a healthy uterine lining that is ready for conception. Golden seal reduces inflammation and encourages cleaning of the uterus. And finally, Fertilica EndoWise kit is gynecologist approved for quality and safety. Click the link given in the description and get started immediately.